And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this radial background design. It's just a bunch of concentric shapes, in this case circles. We can easily achieve that in Gimp with the gradient tool. I've got a plain white background. I use the gradient tool right here. You can right click on a bucket fill tool, set the shape to radial, and I believe repeat is by default set to none. We want to have triangular wave. And then you can pick a gradient. In principle you could pick any gradient that's inbuilt or create your own. I'll use foreground to background, and then I left click and drag. You have 2 points now. The first point is for the center position, and the second one is for the second color, and if you drag it far away from the first one you will have less of these circles. If you bring it closer to the first one you're going to get more. And by left clicking on these points you can change the color up here, so if you want to use different colors. And that's already everything there is. Let me just, to show you this, use a second layer. I'll just call it second. And now I use one of these other default gradients. They have multiple colors. So again, left click and drag. And you can see that now we have multiple circles of different colors. And you can adjust all of these colors one by one. So if you want to use more than 2 colors, just pick a different preset for your gradient type. You can see that right here there are, I don't know how many, but let's say 50 or something inbuilt. And all of them work with this method. But I like to start or generally use only a 2-color gradient, and foreground to background is the best option for me. But this is a general principle of creating these repeated circle background designs in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.